Hi everybody, Phil Cameron here, and in today's workshop we have Eric Russell from Rockford Fosgate, and we will be talking about all the different aspects on why their Jeep kit is so easy to install. Welcome back to the workshop, Eric. I'm very happy to see you here, and let's talk about your Jeep kit. So one of the key features that I was reading is that it's a pre-tuned kit. Why is that so important? Why is it a big advantage for me as a tech to have a kit that's pre-tuned for my application?
Well, thanks for having me on, Phil. And that is a great question. I know the way your mind works, and we've got some great solutions for the technicians that are installing this. Well, the installation is repeatable and predictable. So you can give this to your Greenhorn installer or your seasoned master tech, and you're going to get the same result every single time. This also saves time in the installation bay without having to flash the DSP because it's already preloaded with Maestro integration that connects to CAN bus to the factory radio in your Jeep. This will also save time in the installation bay because you don't have to tune the system. It's already preloaded with Wrangler Unlimited and Gladiator tunes direct from Rockford Fosgate. So what do you think?
Great explanation, Eric. It's like you read my mind and you designed this for me. It's very easy, straightforward. I like having pre-tuned stuff, less for me to do as a tech, eh? But knowing Rockford and what you guys produce as far as sound, what are we to expect about this kit? Is it something that's going to be like super mellow, just a little notch above OEM, or is it something that's going to be Rockford super loud and in your face type of deal? So what are we to expect as far as sound from this kit?
That's a great question, Phil. But you know, Rockford Fosgate, we don't do anything small. We designed it for one reason, to be loud. This also sounds great because we also have DSP tunes in the digital signal processor for the seating position in the front passenger and driver's seat. This also includes an adjustable bass level control. So anybody who's playing music in the Jeep can tailor their sound to the genre of music. By adjusting in that level of bass, you can match to any sort of source material that you're playing.
Nice. Happy to hear that the system will play to whatever genre of music I want. So if I need super loud, I can have it super loud. But if I need it mellow when I rock out to my Celine Dion, I can have it both ways, which is pretty nice. Next question for you. How's the fit and finish of this kit? Is it something that's going to look out of place in my Jeep? I like my Jeep to be stock appearance. Some people like it to be modified a bit. How's it going to fit in my Jeep?
Well, that's the best part about it, Phil, because this doesn't detract from the aesthetics. It looks like it was designed for the Jeep interior. Just take a look at this subwoofer enclosure. It looks like it fits right in. Now, this also improves security because a stealth system does not attract thieves. And it's designed to have an OEM fit so there's no rattles or vibrations. That's also an important fact.
All right. I love the attention to detail, and it looks like it's made from the factory. I'm liking that very much. But one thing I want to ask you, I like to keep changing my vehicle at least every year or 2 years, depending on the market. So can I remove this kit and reinstall it in my next one if it's compatible with it?
Ooh, that's a great question, Phil. So what's really cool with this is, yes, it's 100% plug and play and uses factory mounting points. So everything can be reverted back to factory condition, assuming that you have the audio components to go back in from the OEM. Now, there's one exception, the 12-volt relocation from the center dash to the glove box. You do drill a small hole, but other than that, you can revert it back to factory. Nobody would ever notice.
All right, I got another question for you. It's still on the installation part. As you know, I'm a tech. We know your kit interface with the stock radio. For some of us technicians, this could be quite challenging how to interact or interface with the factory radio. How is it done in this kit?
Well, you're gonna love this, Phil. It uses ADS Maestro integration, right? So it connects to the CAN bus system on the Jeep. So it communicates to the factory radio, no matter what version of factory radio you have. It loads the appropriate tuning file depending on what radio you have, depending on whether you have Wrangler Unlimited or Gladiator. So it's a plug and play system all the way around.
And there you have it. You heard it directly from Eric Russell from Rockford Fosgate. Don't you love it, the thought process behind this and how they designed your kit, how they make it easy, repeatable, and simple to use? Personally, I love the fact that it's pre-tuned with their DSP and how they integrate with the OEM head unit. How about that? This is simple as it gets. So thank you again, guys, for watching this workshop. And if you need more information about this product, please visit the website at rockfordfosgate.com and hope to see you again soon.